This voice you're hearing right now, it's not mine. It's an AI clone I trained in under a minute. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, whether you're making faceless YouTube videos, audiobooks, or just want to sound like Morgan Freeman on demand. ElevenLabs is hands down the most realistic AI voice tool out there. Today, I'm walking you through how it works, how I cloned my voice, and how you can use it to level up your content without ever picking up a mic. First, go to ElevenLabs.io and sign up for a free account. You'll get instant access to a range of ultra-realistic voices and a super simple editor. Just paste your script, choose a voice, hit generate, and you'll get high-quality audio in seconds.
This is a test using ElevenLabs AI.
Tweak the voice's stability, clarity, and even emotion. Perfect for narration, storytelling, or content creation. Here's where it gets spooky, in a good way. ElevenLabs lets you clone your own voice just by uploading a short sample. I recorded a 1-minute clip on my phone, uploaded it, and gave it a name like My Clone. Within minutes, I had an AI version of my voice that could read anything I typed. The quality? Shockingly good. The pacing, the tone, even the little pauses felt natural. It's like having a voice actor version of yourself, 24/7. So how can you actually use this? For faceless YouTube channels like this one. For narration on TikToks and Instagram Reels. For audiobooks, online courses, podcast intros, you name it. And the best part, you don't need fancy gear. Just a voice sample and a little creativity. If you want to try ElevenLabs, I've dropped a link in the description. It's free to test out, and if you upgrade to Pro, that link helps support the channel. Subscribe for more AI tools and faceless content workflows. Next up, I'll show you how to make an entire YouTube video without using your voice or your face. Stay tuned.